Today, Molly's trying, she don't look too thingy for it, but she's trying Lily's Kitchen cottage pie. And it's got beef, potatoes and carrots. She's more just about eating a toy, aren't you, mate? We'll let you know how she gets. This is a sample. Washing it like that. Don't drop it on the floor, Mo. Bad table manners. Bad table manners. That's a sample. So I'll just show you the fat bits, what comes at the bottom. Like a layer of fat on the bottom. We'll mix it through those, yeah. This is it mixed through. A few carrots and peas were in there, beans, whatever. But it like breaks up really well actually. Get loads of meat in there. Sure she'll love that, won't you, Moles? Saying about. To be fair to Lily, there's actually quite a bit of meat there, isn't there, Mo? That one was mixed with Harrington's natural choice puppy biscuits. Getting through that quick, aren't we, Mo? Hey. Looking with you. She enjoyed that one, didn't you, Mo? That was Lily's cottage pie. Yeah, she says it was really nice. 9 out of 10. Beautiful, but not the best. Speak! 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 Oh, it's full up, aren't you? Speak! Good girl.